Hey everybody, welcome to AI Every Day. I'm Sam, and I'm going to be teaching you some tricks so you don't fall behind in this new landscape. Feels like there's new developments in AI every single day, sometimes multiple a day. How are we as, regular people supposed to keep up with it in our everyday lives? Well, you found the right channel. I've got lots of tips and tricks, and I'm going to keep you guys updated with all the real important news, not just the stuff that's constantly coming out. So if you want to learn how to utilize AI in your everyday lives, make sure to follow and stay tuned for more videos. Today, I'm going to be covering the difference between a regular LLM model and an agent. If you keep up with AI news even a little bit, you've probably been hearing lots about agents. It's the new top buzzword. But what really is an agent, and how can it help you? Well, let's break it down. LLM stands for Large Language Model. This is a language model that's been trained on a large amount of information, usually from the internet or books, files, etc. It can only give you answers based on the information it's been trained on. Therefore, that's why it's a language model, not a thinking model. An agent is a multimodal system. It utilizes multiple LLMs as well as other processes to help give you the perfect outputs. Instead of just a tailored answer based on what it's trained on, an agent is going to go find that information, reprocess it based on what it's been trained on for the reprocessing steps, and then give you another output that it's not only found, but then verified. Agents can be trained to do a variety of things, such as help you plan a trip, help you code an app, etc. It's no longer just a one-step process giving you a quick answer. Now, there's obviously need for human interaction, so you can fix whatever problems there are or tailor it to your perfect specifications, but the agent will go through and do all of the low-level tasks for you. So now let's break it down one more time in case I was going a little bit too quick there. The true difference between an LLM and an agent is an LLM is going to do a single process, find you your answer, and then give it to you, while an agent, it's going to revise that process, have multiple steps within it, and it can output a truly tailored answer. So instead of just talking about it, let's take a look at a couple real-world examples right now. So as you can see, right now I have Replit open on my computer. Replit is a great coding agent that helps you build applications and website in just a couple clicks. Have the ability to build the app here, but you can also deploy it and have it ready to use and ship immediately. So this is the Replit agent. As you can see here, I'm going to ask it to make a clone of this website for me. And boom, within just a couple minutes, I now have the perfect website clone, and it's asking me what I want to add or what I need to change. And from there, you just keep telling it and it will do the steps for you. Now let's move on to the next agent. Mantis AI is another great AI agent that just came out recently. Has the capabilities of things like Replit, Gemini, all combined into one. It can be your personal assistant, it can be your coder, it can go over your spreadsheets. The possibilities are only limited to your creativity and somewhat the abilities of the app. But the apps keep getting better and better every day. So try and find their limit. And if you can't, that's good on you. The company will probably pay you for it. Make sure to always check out those bug bounty programs if you're interested. So now a lot of you are probably thinking, there's so many AI agents and LLMs out there. How do I know which one to pick? How do I choose the right one? How do I not waste my money? Well, I'm gonna help you out with that right now. Almost all of these AI services offer a free trial. Utilize that. Make multiple accounts if you have to. I am not promoting fraud. This is not okay. It doesn't hurt to try the service again, especially if you're thinking about buying it, guys. Make sure you're only doing this if you're gonna buy the program. But what's it hurt really to make sure you really enjoy it before putting your hard-earned money into it? Tip number 2 is don't be afraid to just try something out. Load up an account, start prompting, and if you're not happy with it, just go on to the next one. The only way to figure it out is trying it for yourself. A lot of these YouTube videos, tutorials, not only are they 10, 15 minutes long each, the amount of time you'd spend watching them until you figured out the perfect AI for you, wasted so much time. But then again, everybody has their own learning styles and perceives information differently. So one AI isn't going to be as good for one person as it is the other. Number 3, this is more of a cautionary statement than a tip. Make sure when you're searching for tutorials and videos on how to use or how to find the right AI, try and verify that it's not a promotion. I'd say a good 80 to 90% of these videos coming out nowadays are either by the founders themselves of the AI or just people who've been paid to make the videos. And they're looking more and more organic as they go. Make sure you do your due diligence, make sure you're not watching a promoted video, and choose the right AI. All right, so let's end this video by covering the question, should you even touch agents or should you just leave it for now? Well, if you're just getting into AI, I'd suggest messing around with LLMs, working on your prompt engineering, and then going from there. Agents can be pretty complex. While they do a lot of the thinking for you and can help you through the steps, they also can complicate things and just make the learning a lot harder. A great way to start your learning in AI is learning about prompts. AI itself and the back end of the program is going to keep learning and keep getting better consistently. The front end, what you input into it, is what's most important. You aren't getting uploaded with all these updates from Google after all, so you need to improve your own skills and work on your prompt engineering. That'll be my next video, teaching you guys how to properly structure your prompts in order to get the perfect results. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Thanks so much. Things are changing every day in this AI space, and it just seems like it's the direction we're headed for the future. So if you don't want to miss out and you want to stay in the loop, make sure to subscribe and follow along for more. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.